Hey, what's up guys? Jose here at shred.com, and today's video I'm going to show you my DIY version of a single leg squat stand and roller. Now, I'm using stuff that I already own at my gym. If you don't have this stuff, I'm going to show you where you can get it for real cheap. So you're going to need a barbell pad, and a resistance band. That's all there's to it. So as you may know where I'm going already, you're going to wrap this around the barbell. This is going to be our roller. Wrap it around and make sure it's not tight. You want to make sure that it has a little bit of give so that it's able to rotate, and that's going to make it easier for you when you place your foot on here, and it's just going to be moving more naturally. Now, in order to keep the barbell against the rack, you want a resistance band. So you want to put it around the sleeve, put it on the sleeve, bring it around to the back of the rack, and then you're going to put it on the other sleeve of the barbell. And then that's all there's to it. Very simple. Now you have your roller here. I'm going to grab some dumbbells so we can do our single leg squats or Bulgarian split squats. Put your foot on there, and then all you're doing, going down and up, down and up, down and up. And that's it. Very simple. No need to spend a lot of money on this. The pad itself is probably less than 20 bucks. The resistance band, very cheap as well. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you're going to be using this DIY version. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. And as always, I'm going to leave the links below this video for the material that I use, the equipment I use, such as the pad and the resistance bands. But I'm sure you can find them somewhere close to you as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And for more home gym tips, make sure you visit my website, shredaddad.com.